What's up, guys? It's coming here once again. Very quickly, I'll be teaching you how to apply the latest update to the OBS software. So if peradventure you have been using OBS for a very long time and you like to check if there's the latest update and you like to apply the update, so this is what to do. Or if also you just downloaded OBS and you like to also apply the latest update, this is also what you do. So the first thing you want to do is to navigate to this menu bar, and then where it is written help, you tap it, and when you come down you see check for updates. So what this does is that it's going to check the database of OBS, and so if you're already using the latest update of OBS, it will just bring out a dialog box telling you that you're already using the latest update, so there is no update. And if you are not using the latest update, it will bring up a dialog box allowing you to select if you want to install the updates now, and then after installing it and applying the update, then you're good to go. So now I'm going to click on check for updates, and you can see that it brought up a dialog box telling me that no updates are currently available. So it means that I'm already using the latest update, and then I just tap on OK. So that's it, you're good to go. So if this video was very helpful to you, I'd like you to drop your comment in the comment section below, give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe so you get notified when I drop a new video, and I'll see you in the next one.